Walk one, party.
I'm trying to rob the thing.
What is going on in here? Oh, these guys must have tried to rob somebody in a party. And the security force is Black Knight, I think them call them. Yes, Rasta. And the boy they style up Rasta in a disrespectful way. Oh my God, Rasta boy. And I'm tell Rasta to move car. See them boy, them a fake, not tee up them health, not go on like them a Rasta. And I rap people, them know the Rasta and a rap. All them boy is abomination to Rasta.
What the hell is going on?
Jan must let me replay it again. What really I go on?
Alright.
Explain Rasta. So them get bite, them get wall. Give thanks to the security forces anyway, but I use the police them in the Rasta. They don't like to reach when anything is going on in the Rasta. When the thing happen, Rasta, them nowhere to be seen. But after the event, the police forces shall be there, Rasta. But right now, at the security team, at the security companies, them save this lady from getting robbed and killed by these hoodlums that just like they are hard-working people. And one of them even tried to look like a Rasta. Yes, yeah. Imposter.
Okay.
That ain't a Rasta. Anyway, I and I Rastafari. I say, subscribe to this channel now. The Warren John Rock Rasta. Yes, Rasta. I Rasta.
What the hell is going on?
I'm trying to rob the thing.
Whoop.
Alright.
Yo, move the cat for a carrier. Move the cat. Move the cat. Don't fucking move. Don't. Hey, Rasta boy. Rabbit. Come behind your blood clot back. One and now.
Okay.